Good morning, students. We will discuss about the remainder theorem. So, what is remainder theorem here? The statement, this is the real statement here. The statement of the word remainder theorem is that if fx is a polynomial in x and is divided by x minus a, the remainder equal to fa. The remainder equal to fa. How will you want to know that the remainder will be fa? Here x minus a equal to 0, so x equal to a. Means you have to put the value of x equal to a in your what? Fx. Okay, so the remainder will be fa. If fx is divided by x plus a, the remainder will be what here? So x plus a equal to 0, so x equal to minus a. So you have to what put here minus a. In the place of x you have to put minus a. Now if fx is divided by ax plus b, then the remainder will be f minus b by a. How? See, so see here, always we have to equate the divisor. Here this is the divisor and fx is the dividend. Here this is the divisor, this is the dividend. So divisor you have to always equate with the 0. So ax plus b equal to 0. So ax equal to what? Minus b and x equal to minus b by a. Now this value of the x you have to put in the here fx. Okay, so the remainder will be f minus b by a. Now you would see here one number will do here. Find the remainder when x square minus 8x plus 4 is divided by 2x plus 1. So what is fx here? This one is the fx, or this is the what? Dividend. So dividend we can denote the dividend as here fx, px, qx, gx, like that. If the variable is x, then we can denote the here what? Dividend, such as here fx, px, qx, gx. If the here what? Variable is y, then we have to denote fy, py, gy, like this. Okay. So here the variable is x, so here fx equal to x square minus 8x plus 4. So we are going to what? Divide this fx by 2x plus 1. So this is the here what? Division. So now division will be equated to 0. So 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we'll put this value minus 1 by 2 here in this fx. So fx. What is the value of x here? Minus 1 by 2. Now you put here minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 plus 4. So here minus minus plus 2 4s are 8. So here 4 plus 4, 8, 8 over 1 by 4. Okay. The next number is when the polynomial 2x cube minus kx square plus 5k minus 3 into x minus 8 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 14. Find the value of k. We have to find out the value of this k. This k value we have to find out. So see here it is going to be divided by x minus 2. Means here divisor is x minus 2. Now divisor equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 2, so x equal to 2. So x equal to, so what is here fx here? Fx is nothing but here what? This one. The here what? Dividend. Dividend is here what? Fx. Here dividend is here dividend is here fx. Fx equal to what here? 2x cube minus kx square plus 5k minus 3 into x minus 8. Now, what will be the remainder here? Remainder is nothing but fx. If fx is divided by what? X minus 2, the remainder is nothing but what? Remainder equal to above 2, because x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2. So remainder equal to above 2. So we have to put the value of x equal to 2 here. So 2 into 2 cube minus k into 2 square plus 5k minus 3 into 2 minus 8 equal to 0. Now 2 into 2 cube, 8 to the 16. This is equal to 2 square 4k. This is 5k minus 3 into 2. 2 5 is 10k, 2 3 is 6 minus 8. Now this is minus 4k plus 10k, 6k. Now 16 minus 6 minus 8. We will get here plus 2. Now this remainder equal to how much here? This is the here remainder, and this remainder equal to how much? 14. So 6k plus 2 equal to 14. So 6k equal to here what? 14 minus 2, 12. So k equal to 2. So here the value of the k is how much? And the value of the k is 2. Answer is 2. Yes, this is the answer. Okay. Next, second number. What number should be added to the polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square plus x so that when the resulting polynomial is divided by the what x minus 2, the remainder is 3. Let we have what? Add here k. What we have to add here k. Let me add here k in the above polynomial. So above polynomial becomes here what? 2x cube minus 3x square plus x plus k. Okay, so we are going to divide this polynomial by x minus 2. So this is the division. So we have to always equal the division equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2. Now remainder equal to what? What is the remainder? Remainder is nothing but fx. So remainder equal to fx. So what is the fx here? What is the value of x here? 2. So now we will put here 2. 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 2 plus k equal to 3. Remainder equal to how much here? 3. So this is the remainder. Remainder equal to how much here? 3. So remainder is nothing but f of x. So here what is the value of x here? 2. So 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 2 plus k equal to 3. So this equal to what? 2 to the power 4, 16. 3 4 is 12. This is plus 2 plus k equal to 3. Now see here, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 minus 12, 6. Okay, k plus 6 is equal to 3. So k equal to 3 minus 6, that will be minus 3. So the value of k equal to minus 3. So here the k value will be minus 3. Okay, if you add here minus 3, if you add here minus 3 and if you were divide it by x minus 2, the remainder will be how much? 3. Okay, this is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4 examples. Okay, about remainder.